Logi-Sys Arena, as again and again repeated, it's a crucible of innovation. So, idea is, as you know, what is crucible? Crucible is something which we have all seen in laboratory, chemical laboratory, where the experiment takes place. And this is what the Logi-Sys Arena is all about. It needs to be the melting pot of ideas, and the outcome can be innovation in many ways, which ultimately helps the industry.
I think it's quite a unique thing that happened in the logistics industry.
Arena, what we set up is a beautiful thing.
This initiative is very, very great because we need such kind of platforms to express ourselves, our ideas and everything.
It's fantastic. I was not expecting you having such a hall inside your office. So, kind of inside image.
We never saw this thing, what Softlink has taken. I mean, they have just set a new benchmark.
My first impression when I entered the Logi-Sys Arena right now today was very impressive.
I would thank Softlink, Team Softlink, for inviting me here to be part of this, the opening of the Logi-Sys Arena. And I wish them all the best. It's a great step forward, and I think this will lead to much better things in the coming days.
We will give 3 cheers to this Logi-Sys Arena, and we will, highly recommend that the trade come here and participate in full vigor and spirit.
I wish all the best, and I hope it goes to the